if you're an investor, you absolutely need to listen. I guarantee I will blow your mind if you just give me 1 minute. So, Google Gemini 3, they just released two killer features that will absolutely change the game on how you do due diligence. And using these features, I invented a new AI native due diligence technique that I will share with you for free right now, including the website and the prompt I used to build this. So, the first feature is the ability to link video to the Gemini 3 AI capabilities. Now, this unlocks a wide range of new things that we can do using AI that was not possible before the Gemini 3 drop. The second feature is state of the art coding capabilities, some of the best that's out there right now. And using these two features, I was able to build this tool that allows you to drop in any video and use AI to analyze body language and facial expressions. Now, I'm going to show you a real live demonstration on how this works using an interview with Sam Altman. So all you have to do is you take a file and you drag and drop to this website. So while this is uploading, I'm going to explain to you why we do this. So the reason why we do this is because we know it's one thing for executives to say something, and it's an entire different thing to know whether or not they are telling the truth. Sometimes they don't want to tell the truth, sometimes they can't for legal reasons. And by using body language, by looking at the facial expression, we can get a little bit closer to seeing whether or not they are lying to us. Now, as you can see, it only took a couple seconds for this report to come out, and it was able to analyze every single frame in this video. So let me play this video real quick, and then I'll go through what this report says.
Hanging over the market is how can the company with 13 billion in revenues make 1.4 trillion of spend commitments? And you've heard the criticism,
First
Sam.
of all, we're doing well more revenue than that. Second of all, Brad, if you want to sell your shares, I'll find you a buyer. I just enough. People are. I think there's a lot of people who would love to buy OpenAI shares. I don't think you would,
including myself.
So as we can see from this quick clip, it seems Sam Altman is a little bit fidgety just based on eye test, but using AI, we're able to get the exact transcript and all the different tells that might be red flags through the entire process, right? Most of us are investors and we don't have this sort of classical training in terms of telling body language and whatnot. So I'll run through this report real quick. So first of all, the most important thing is there were three red flags that it spotted. So first of all, it was refuting the financial figures, right? Second of all, he was being dismissive towards criticisms, or it wasn't even criticism, it was just questions. So Sam Altman was being dismissive here, and he was being very vague about some of his statements. These were red flags that the AI spotted. Now, another important part of this module is the nonverbal decoder. So actually looking at his posture, looking at his movement, looking at his micro expressions on his face, it was able to see what areas he was being truthful or not truthful and whatnot. So looking at this entire report, you're welcome to run your own analysis, looking at this deeper, but I find this quite amazing. It is now in my standard due diligence stack, and I will tell you the even more mind-blowing fact about this tool was it was built natively in Google AI Studio using this one single prompt. So look at this prompt on the left-hand side, right? I was able to build this one shot, zero coding. I didn't even have to look at the code, right? And it was able to build this entire dashboard with the upload feature, with the video AI connectivity, and with beautiful UX. As you know, I love me some beautiful UX. I like looking at pretty dashboards. So again, look at this. One single prompt, no code, no understanding of code. It was able to spit out a multi-file complex dashboard that is ready to be uploaded to a website. It's currently being hosted on Google AI Studio, and as you can see, works very well, works very consistently, and I've used this multiple times. This is, again, absolutely mind-blowing. So I've included this prompt in the comment section below. If you want to try it out, please try it out and let me know what you think. If you have any issues, I'm always here. I'm chronically online, so I answer to every comment and I answer to every direct message. So try it out. Thanks so much for your time, and there are more to come if you hit the follow button.